Okay, today I'm going to be talking about evolution, okay. I do not believe in it, obviously. And I'm going to prove it wrong just by using common sense, okay. So, according to evolution, the Big Bang created everything. This big explosion, okay. Okay, so, there's nothing. Then all of a sudden, it explodes. How's that possible? What could have exploded? I mean, an explosion can't just occur out of nowhere. And plus, explosions don't create. They only destroy stuff, okay? Everybody should know that, okay? And also, explosions can't create life. In case you've noticed, like, we use bombs, they kill people, they don't create people, okay? And that's it.